Pretty nice day to start the work week. Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. And, well, we had a few clouds overhead, but by and large, conditions were delightful. Here is a look at what you can plan for as we head toward the holiday. Tuesday, one more pleasant day, above average temperatures, and a few more clouds and a lot more wind than we had today. So it'll be wind chillier. Mixed precipitation moves into some of our counties as we go through Wednesday, causing some slippery travel conditions and a few flakes of snow possible for your Thanksgiving Day out there. We'll show you where that'll be as well, but we want you to arrive safe and sound at your holiday destination. Upper 20s right now out in the west, where Jamestown, Valley City, and Langdon are all at 28, 32 degrees this hour in Detroit Lakes. Crookston and Grand Forks at 34, Roseau and Bemidji right now in the low 30s, and at Hector International Airport, 32 degrees, wind under 10 miles per hour, and conditions fairly pleasant at this hour. Looking across the region, a few more clouds out to the west, and the radar showing a few flakes of snow possible in these areas. If you're traveling out to the west, know you could run into some of that unsettled weather. And also, even though we're not seeing anything on the radar here, Roseau County, Northern Beltrami, and Lake of the Woods County all have a chance at some light flurry activity this evening. Out to the west, this boundary of clouds caused by a warm front. Temperatures out here were near 50 degrees late this afternoon and even into the early evening. That's clashing with this colder air mass that's over the Dakotas right now. Hey, as we head into the midweek time frame, a major winter system is going to impact the Rocky Mountains. A winter storm warning out there in the western reaches of Montana and the high country of the eastern plains of Montana, and a winter weather advisory for Thursday morning. That system impacts us. We'll show you how in a moment, but for tonight, quiet weather, a few clouds, and passing flurries still possible in northern Minnesota. As we go through the night, there could be some spotty flurries out to the west, but that warmer air surges our way, keeping temperatures mild to start our day in the 20s for most locations. A few teens possible up in northwest Minnesota. Starting your day with a chance of 1 or 2 flakes of snow along the international border. As we get going tomorrow, we're going to notice a couple of things. Temperatures are going to ramp up on your thermometer in the car, but when you step out of the car, it's going to feel colder thanks to these winds, gusting to 25, 30 miles per hour at times late in the day. So even though it looks nice as today, it won't feel as nice. As we head into the evening, the winds continue to be gusty. The clouds continue to increase, setting the stage for some wintry weather on Wednesday. Your planner for Fargo on Tuesday, 25 to start, increasing winds and wind chills that'll keep it down in those 20s throughout the afternoon. We'll see more clouds tomorrow, and that wind will feel a little on the chilly side for your Tuesday. Elsewhere, lower 30s up north, a few flakes of snow possible along the border, closer to 40 down south, but it won't feel that warm thanks to those winds. Let's look at Wednesday. As we take a look, there will be a chance for some snow developing. It looks like the model is shut off here, but chance of snow making its way into the western portion of the Dakotas as we go through your Wednesday and into Thanksgiving morning. Mainly central North Dakota, northeast North Dakota as we go through the day. That's where the best chance of the slippery weather will be. More on that later, but right now, Wednesday looks like mixed precipitation. Travel safely. Nobody gets real heavy snow. Just going to be some slippery spots out there, so travel with care. Flat out flurries flying on your Thanksgiving Day thanks to mighty cold air out there. And then look at that. Everything's black on Friday. That's right. Oh, we'll call for some sun in there too, but morning lows for some of you as you're waiting in lines or heading out early to do some shopping could be in the single digits.
Oh my goodness.
Bundle up, yeah.
But the deals will be hot.
The deals will be hot and the leftovers will be better.
Yes.
All right.
Well, later in sports, Bison football head coach Chris Kleiman weighs in on the playoff picture.
And Fill the Dome is back. We'll have details on how you can get involved.